Don't know why you left me bleeding.
Hi everyone, it's Dipannita and welcome to my channel. After so long, I'm making this makeup tutorial, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you this HD makeup look. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. And you can also create this look for weddings, parties, and whenever you want. So let's jump right into the video. At first, I am wearing my contact lenses. By the way, this lens is from PAC Cosmetics and the shade is grey. So let's start with the base makeup. At first, I am gonna be using Plum Toner. This is one of my favorite toner actually. Most of the time, I use this Plum Green Tea alcohol-free toner. For moisturizer, today I am using Glory and White Fort Whitening Cream. Next I am using this Solar Safe SPF 50 sunscreen gel, and it's have a super silky texture, matte finish, and it's also ideal to use under makeup. So you can definitely use this sunscreen before your makeup. To hydrate my lips, I am using Baby Lips from Maybelline. Let's start with the brows. So at first I am combing my brows, and to fill them I am using a dark brown eyeshadow.
For the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung.
To clean my eyebrows, I am using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
I am using a small beauty blender to blend my concealer. Another product I am using is this Mila Primer Oil. By the way, as you can see, it looks like a gel primer. To add a glow in my skin, I am using Miss Claire liquid highlighter, and I am using my fingertips to blend it out.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come.
Can you see, after using this liquid highlighter, my skin is glowing. Next I am going to use this orange color corrector by Illegal Cosmetics. That will help to neutralize uneven skin tone before I use my foundation or concealer over it.
We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world, Savannah.
Now I am using Kryolan FS28. You can use any concealer that you have. And to blend all the products, I am using a damp beauty blender. Now I am ready for the foundation, and I am going to be using PAC HD liquid foundation, and as you can see the quantity, and I am going to dot it all over my face, and to blend it out I am again using a damp beauty blender.
Words have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand.
To set my foundation, I am using Kryolan translucent powder. You can also use any powder that you have.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Next, I am starting with my eye makeup. So again, I am using Maybelline Age Rewind concealer to conceal my eyelids, and then I am gonna set this concealer with a powder. For today's look, I am using Gorgeous Me eyeshadow palette by Beauty Glaze, and right now I am using this shade as a transition color. Next, I am using this shade on my eyelid.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
After that, I am blending these two colors with the same transition color.
Lions roaring in the morning sun.
Next, I am adding this shimmer color on my lid, and I am applying like a cut crease, and I am not using any concealer to cut this crease actually, and just I am using the eyeshadow directly on my eyelid.
Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so.
Again, I am blending all the colors with the same transition color. To deepen my outer corner, I am using this dark shade.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
As a liner, today I am using Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner and doing a small wing. For mascara, today I am going to be using Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara, and I am going to stop it with mascara. You are welcome to use false lashes if you prefer. Sometimes I just like to create looks without false lashes because I think they look pretty delicate. Especially when I want to create nice delicate looks, I don't really use lashes, but again it's a choice, so if you want to, you might as well.
Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand.
Now let's finish the rest of the face. So right now I am using Fit Me Compact to set again my foundation.
Savannah,
Today I am going to be using this Sugar Contour the Force palette, and I am taking this color to contour my face.
the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah.
For blush, today I am using the same palette, and I feel just using a blush makes your cheeks flush. and you look so much more fresh. Again, I am using the damp beauty blender to blend all the things. Next, I am going to bake my face. So right now I am baking my face with a white powder. You can use any powder that you have, but I will suggest use any white powder. For highlighter, I am using the same palette from Sugar Contour, the Force palette, and it's so pigmented. Again, I am blending all the things because I feel blending is the most important part of your makeup. So I think you have to blend all the things perfectly. So I'm gonna lining my lips with a brown lip liner, and for lipstick I'm going to be use something nude to balance everything out. So today I'm going to be using this Maybelline Sensational Matte Liquid Lipstick, and the color is so amazing, isn't it?
Don't know why you left me bleeding.
So here is the completed look, and love to hear your thoughts on this look. So comment down below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel for watch more videos like this, and let me know what else would you like to watch on my channel. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you with a brand new one.